housemates natin para ready din silang sumagot. So this is for Big Four once again. Alright, so he asks, after your stint on PBB, where you gained instant popularity by exposing who you are to the outside world, how important naman daw is privacy at this point in your life? And syempre, protecting your privacy.
Well, regarding my privacy naman po, I think it really just is with my family naman. As long as I keep my things private with my family, my friends, and whatever I'm feeling at the moment, I'm okay with it now. Parang, as long as I have that circle of friends that I can trust, as long as I have a circle of friends that I can lean on and I can come to and talk to when the time is needed, then I'm okay with my privacy.
Alright, as long as you have that strong
We came
core.
to PBB really just showing everyone who we are and what our stories is. So sa tingin ko naman, napakita ko naman po lahat. So I'm okay with it.
Alright, thank you, Charlie. So yeah, so Charlie stays true to her core. How about you, Will?
Ako naman po, yeah, same kay Charlie. Siyempre, pumasok kami sa loob ng bahay para ipakita, of course, kung sino talaga kami as a person na hindi nakikita ng mga tao sa labas nung kami nag-work lang siyempre for the teleserye, for a film.
Yes.
Kasi ibang character yung pinoportray namin dun eh. Pero kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung privacy, of course, privacy is really, really important for us. Kasi yun yung isang bagay na nakakakuha kami ng rest. And nakakatuwa naman na kahit biniyayaan kami ng Panginoon nitong ganitong popularity, thank God. Nakakatuwa naman kasi mga fans talaga is very respectful. Na parang lahat talaga kami ako personally wala naman akong na-experience na gano'n na parang ini-invade na yung privacy ko. Nakakatuwa na yung pagsuportang binibigay at pagmamahal na binibigay nila is merong boundaries. Kaya I'm happy lang talaga ako sa mga nangyayari.
That's good to know. Na parang at ease ka naman sa fans mo, sa supporters mo. Thank you, Will. So siguro, si AZ.
Inside the house, I expose so much about myself and yung family ko. And right now, same kami kay Will na wala akong naramdaman or na-experience na na-invade yung privacy ko. Sobrang at ease talaga ako with my fans. Sobrang respectful, sobrang supportive nila with everything that I do. Kaya sobrang happy ako na sila pa ngayon mismo nakikita ko na lang online na let's give her privacy, guys. Kaya sobrang grateful ako for their support and that na sinasabi nila yun. Kaya I'm happy po. I'm happy.
That's beautiful. That they're all happy. Okay, sige. Lastly, of course, our big winner, Mika.
Ako naman po, actually even inside the house, meron naman po din kaming privacy na nire-reserve talaga sa sarili namin. Kasi I believe na hindi mo kailangan hubaran yung sarili mo to show who you really are. Dapat na may reservation ka din sa mga information about your family, your personal life. So I guess sa loob ng bahay, na-start na din naman po namin siyang gawin. And even, especially here outside. Kasi ito na po yung totoong buhay. So mas kailangan namin protektahan kung ano yung mga dapat namin protektahan sa loob.
Tama. But I believe the house for you guys, bilang artista na kayo prior to coming in, was a good, I guess, training ground for you guys.
Hello po. Actually, sobrang laki po ng impact and I think we're all aware of it bilang sobrang successful ng season ng PBB na to and we're grateful to be part of it. It actually changed my life as an actress also. One of the reason why I joined PBB is mas makilala ako ng mga tao as Ashley Ortega kasi bilang matagal na rin po ako sa industriya, lagi lang po nila ako nakikita sa mga teleserye and the roles that I portray. But inside the PBB house, mas nakilala nila ako as Ashley, as how I am as a person. And it changed my life. Even though I was the first evictee, so unexpectedly, sobrang daming blessings pong dumating sa buhay ko. And I will always be grateful for that. Especially yung mga supporters ko. At yung natanggap ko, when I got evicted, I thought being the first evictee was like a huge embarrassment. Pero nung paglabas ko sa outside world, it was the other way around. As in, I was loved and supported by a lot of people. And if it weren't for them, feeling ko, it wasn't easy for me to recover right away. But because of their warm welcome and their support, sobrang nagbago yung life ko. And even sa work ko ngayon, I'm so grateful sa mga brands who trusted me right now, sa mga endorsements na nakuha ko. I'm so grateful for them. Yes, lalong-lalo na yung Luxlim, kasi Luxlim was a huge brand inside Kuya's house. As in, meron talaga silang pwesto sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And unexpectedly, when I got evicted, they reached out on me right away. And now, I'm part of the Luxlim family. And I'm so grateful for that. And other than that, marami rin mga lumapit. And may mga projects na rin actually. May teleserye, may may movie, may MMFF movie akong gagawin. So, I'm just really grateful and lahat po ng, hindi ko in-expect lahat na nangyari. Actually, lahat kami, like PBB changed our life and we will always be grateful sa lahat ng mga taong nagmahal at nagsuporta sa amin.
That question really fascinates me because I was talking to my fellow housemates. Sabi ko nga, bago tayo pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya, ibang-iba yung buhay namin. Until compared to when we all went out, whether they were Big Four, they were evictees, talagang ang laki ng pagbago. And it's something that we truly cherish and we're grateful for kasi it was impactful. I mean, this PBB stint for us was not just a way to introduce ourselves to the world, but it was for us to know ourselves better. For me personally, bukod sa tulong sa career, tulong din sa sa sarili kong buhay. I mean, it taught me many life lessons, how to be a better person, a better housemate, and to be a better actor. Especially in this industry na marami tayong kailangan alagaan, yung mga taong sumusuporta sa atin, yung mga bosses, yung network, of course. And I think through this, you're right, it's a training ground that really impacted my life to navigate in this industry in a different way na. And I'm very thankful, of course, to Sparkle, to Miss Annette, Miss Joy Bosvig, for giving me the opportunity to enter this house. It was truly unexpected for me. It was a full circle moment kasi nga, the reason why I started showbiz was all because of PBB. And the impossible became possible, the two networks collaborating to create history. And I'm being part of that. I'm so thankful for it. And of course, ABS for allowing us, mga kapuso, to enter their ground, to enter that house, that very special house. It was meaningful. And yung pagbabago talaga, after nakikita ko yung name ko, nagte-trend. Sabi ko, shucks, for the first time in my life, may Michael Sager sa X. Sabi ko, wow! So kinilig lang ako doon ng site. And of course, yung mga fans are very supportive. May mga signs sila, may mga sentra, tawag doon. And nagugulat na ako sa TikTok rin, ang dami ko nakakita mga edits. So, it's so sweet lang and I feel like that's what I'm so thankful for, just seeing how people accepted, not just me, but all of us in a way that they really enjoyed the season, they really supported us through thick and thin, and I'm so grateful for that. Kaya to PBB, to GMA, and to EBS, maraming salamat.
So, paglabas ko, sobrang unexpected na lahat kasi I wasn't expecting anything talaga from me, from what's gonna happen after, PBB. But then, ngayon, napakaswerte ko kasi dami nagmamahal sa aming lahat. And for sure, hindi namin yun in-expect lahat. And masasabi ko lang, ang laki na natulong niya sa life ko talaga. Lalo na sa business ko, sa restaurant, sa Araya. Kain kayo dun, ha?
Yes! Tama yan! It's gonna change your life and your restaurant's life.
And of course, sa career ko rin. Grabe, yung drive ko sa pag-aarte, biglang umapoy. Sobrang iba eh. Kasi before, honestly, naghihintay lang ako for the right time. So, I believe now na ito na yung right time to do the work and to make efforts and ayun, hopefully mas madaming opportunities na dumating and for sure i-grab natin yun lahat.
Lahat. Yes, thank you so much, Dustin.
Deep. Grabe! Ako, grabe. Super grateful ako sa PBB. As in, there's no words parang hindi ko kaya explain paano ako thankful to PBB. Kasi inuwi ko talaga dito yung pangarap ko. I was in the UK for 7 years. Umuwi ako ng 2020 to come here. And that's my career. And
You can switch your mic, yes.
Thank
Para
you.
marinig naman namin
No,
yung
check,
medyo
check.
British accent mo para natitira.
This nice mic.
Yes,
Ayan,
okay.
ito, magandang mic ito. Hello po, ulit. Ayan, siguro sa akin, sobrang thankful ako and grateful for PBB. Kasi ngayon nakikilala na ako. Ngayon nakikita na ako. Kaya I'm really thankful. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin po sa industry yung ito and dahil ko na rin nagawa. Pero sa lahat ng ginagawa ko, hindi pa rin ako nakikilala. Kaya because of PBB, now people see me. Now people appreciate me for me, which is really nice. And kasi nasa labas ako, nagugulat ako whenever I'm in the mall or in the road. Everyone's gonna be like, uy, si Josh, oh. Si Josh from PBB. Kaya natutuwa ako na nakikilala na nila ako sa pangalan ko, hindi lang sa pangalan ng character ko. And of course, I'm so thankful for GMA for accepting me back. Kasi 2016 I signed, and then umalis ako bigla all of a sudden, and now I came back and they still wanted me. Kaya maraming salamat po for letting me be here. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga ipakita yung sarili ko sa mundong ito. And be an inspiration to others na kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo, everything happens for a reason at all.
Actually, galing nga ng Korea eh.
Wow!
Start nga kilala sa akin. Sabi ko,
Fresh.
picture sa akin. Sabi ko, wow, grabe. Iba na pala talaga to.
Tama, grabe.
Kumakain ako ng street food.
O, paano mo na-realize?
Hindi ko na-realize. Pero, ewan ko, sobrang grateful lang talaga ako sa journey ko. Sa bahay ni Kuya. It challenged me. It pushed me out of my comfort zone. Mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Mas nakilala ko yung mga housemates. Para sa akin, madaming opportunities talaga na dumadating sa buhay namin ngayon. At siguro ito din yung opportunity na gumawa ka din ng sarili mong opportunity para sa sarili mo. Isa yun sa mga na-realize ko paglabas ko ng bahay ni Kuya. At wala, ako, moment by moment lang talaga ako. Like, kung ano yung dumating, ginagrab ko lang din talaga yung mga opportunities. And thankful lang talaga ako sa lahat ng nangyayari sa akin.